Welcome to today's guide on how to apply for travel insurance for pregnant women. Whether you're planning a vacation or a work trip, it's important to know how to protect yourself and your baby while traveling. Pregnancy brings unique risks, and getting the right travel insurance is essential to cover unexpected situations like medical emergencies, trip delays, or cancellations. Now, you might be thinking, where do I start? It's simpler than you think. I'll show you how to quickly and easily apply for travel insurance online using the service known as Ekta Traveling, which makes the process smooth and straightforward. First, visit the Ekta Traveling website. There, you can find a variety of insurance plans specifically designed to meet your needs as an expectant mother. Enter your travel dates, destination, and personal information to get an instant quote. It's important to check if the insurance plan includes pregnancy-related coverage, such as emergency medical services and trip cancellation, which are key for pregnant women. As you fill out the form, make sure to declare your pregnancy and any relevant medical conditions. This ensures you receive appropriate coverage for your journey. The best part? You can customize your policy based on your specific travel plans and health situation. Now, if you're ready to secure your peace of mind, make sure to click on the link in the description to get started with your own travel insurance today. Just head over to the link and choose the policy that best fits your pregnancy and travel needs. Remember, securing travel insurance before your trip is one of the smartest decisions you can make, especially when pregnant. Take a moment now to visit the link and complete your application. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give this video a like, and share it with anyone who might need travel insurance. Thanks for watching.